the civil population and neutralizing the terrorists without any damage to civil life or property remained there. There were 14 houses which were evacuated, and in the first light at around 7, we drew fire from the terrorists before we could give them any offer to surrender. And based on the swift redeployment, we were able to corner them into one place. They were neutralized while trying to escape from the area, and in 9 hours of a grueling battle with them, they were neutralized successfully. There was no major damage to any civilian property or life which was caused in the area of Ribbon, while our troops risked themselves to effectively neutralize these terrorists. Last night again we received a specific input from Jammu and Kashmir Police. This was in the village of Pinjora near Shopian, with the presence of some notorious terrorists who were harassing the civilians, being present in a couple of houses there. These terrorists have been known to disrupt the normal life there, caused excesses on the civil population. They have been known to kill non-local labor, also abduct policemen, and involved in the harassment and certain injuries to truck drivers last year. The persecution of innocent civilians and was a routine for them. They were again used to using the normal civil population for giving an early warning to them, which was neutralized by the swift redeployment of our troops of 44 RR in the area, and in a 4-hour operation which began at 3 in the morning, they were neutralized.
The first operation was Pulwama, then the second operation yesterday, wherein 5 militants were killed. In fact, one of the militants, Owais, was involved in the recent attack on the SHO of Yaripura, and he had planned a series of attacks on the security forces around the Eid time to attack and snatch weapons, and then he was also involved in the kidnapping of policemen. It was quality input and well coordinated efforts of all the security forces that resulted in successful operation without any collateral damage. The second part is containing the law and order and the crowd which usually gathered around the encounter site. So, as the Corps Commander has already said, that we are thankful to the general public that the parents and the people in the villages, they are able to, not allowing the youngsters to come out close to the encounter sites. Lastly, I would request all the people across the Kashmir Valley.
And our primary aim remains to bring in peace. If we are neutralizing somebody, it is with an intention that people can live without fear. They can go about their routine in a manner where their livelihood is not disturbed. That is our primary focus. And I would also appeal to the population not to get swayed by the misinformation that is coming from across Pakistan. This is very important. He's on a hyperdrive to bring in, false propaganda. If there is one person who is not happy with what is happening today in the valley in terms of peace, is Pakistan. So we need to fight that. And the people, the media houses which are standing in front of me, you have an important role to play. I would say even the 1.2 billion population, the 120 crore people also have a role to play in demolishing false narratives which are coming from Pakistan. While we are fighting on ground, we will definitely look forward to the cooperation of the Awam and the population in general, to spread the right message and demolish the false narratives.
बैटिंग तो अर्जुन कर रहा है, तो सब गोलू के लिए क्यों चीयर कर रहे हैं? वो तो घर पर बैठा है।
अरे तुम्हें नहीं पता, वो इसलिए नहीं आया ताकि हमें इन्फेक्शन ना हो।
नोवेल कोरोना वायरस बीमारी को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है। बुखार के साथ खांसी और छींक होने पर सार्वजनिक जगहों से दूर रहकर इसे फैलने से रोक सकते हैं। अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए हमारी मदद करें। अगर आपको खांसी, बुखार या सांस लेने में तकलीफ हो तो तुरंत नजदीकी स्वास्थ्य केंद्र जाएं या हेल्पलाइन नंबर 911123978046 पर संपर्क